Well, when the old John Deere takes a dump on you and one of your pulleys try to catch on fire while you're mowing, and you still got, 3 yards to mow for the week, and it's 117 degrees outside, what do? You get out Old Faithful here. Get out Old Faithful with the ball tires and the old single cylinder. And a lot smaller of a deck, but she'll get her done, I bet. If green don't do it, red always will. It's always been an argument between Case and John Deere. Well, in this case, it's between John Deere and Craftsman, but I'm assuming that it's the same, She's ready to go. Just took the bagger off of it, took her out of fall mode, and she's ready. Oh, I got that new speed feed on that Stihl too. Stihl Weed Eater. Echo Parts. Really recommend that. It's pretty good. All right. See y'all later.